Alright, hello YouTubers. So here is our second design of the week after next, number 104 of the year. This is our version of the Gunstar from the vintage 80s movie, The Last Starfighter. Love that movie. We did the Star League logo coin earlier this year. We've been working on this for weeks, and this is actually the first version of it. We got some tweaks to make after this, but this is the one that's making the video. Just so stoked, had to get it printed up. Let's see how it goes. Can't wait. Alright, it's all filler primered up. I'm going to sand it up, paint it up. Yeah, so I found a couple issues in here. We're going to tweak on some stuff, make it a little better. But still, this is just badass, exactly how it is, even with the issues. Look right there, it's just awesome. Too sweet. Alright, let me get this sanded up, painted up, post this video. I'll post video pictures on Twitter of the final design. So cool. Alright, let's get this done up. Alright, there we go. It is really tacky and wet, so I'm not going to pick this up. And we actually just finished tweaking the design, so once I print that out, I will put it up on Twitter. I might actually tweet out a few pictures from the slicer. I really like this one. So if you like the design, you like the video, make sure you smash the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells. We got a lot of content coming out this year. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless.